and welcome back to Reviving the Enchantress. Got a funny little start to today. We just stopped in at Bunnings to grab a bit of sandpaper, didn't we, Coop? Get a bit of sandpaper, and these couple of blokes just come up to me. They're trying to jam a big bathroom vanity unit into their small little hatchback. So they just they offered me $50 to drive the vanity unit to their house. So I said, yeah, no drama. So we're going to make a quick stop off in town, get this cabinet to them, and then we'll get to the boat. So what a great little start to the day. Nothing better than making $50 on your way to work. Alright guys, we'll see you in the boat. So, and I'm back. Got my money, dropped off the cabinet. they were happy. And the last bit of timber I've got here today, so that's what we're going to work on today. We're going to continue framing up inside. I just need to get that additional wall framing in before we can put the roof on. So that's my plan with that bit. And I want to make sure everything's done there before we put the roof on, because I don't want to be just farting around with stuff that I could have done with the roof off. Clean that up a little. Tell you what, the batteries really aren't lasting that long these days. Pretty happy with my strip across the top here. It's holding the span really nice and tight, as well as it's going to line up with our wall for our little crew quarters, little secondary bunk. So what I'm going to have to do is probably now I just want to do it where the post is going to go in there, and that'll line up to the top part of the sheet there. So let's do this a little bit. Scooby-Doo. Not having the four-wheel drive here at the moment means the poor Scooby-Doo doesn't get to come up onto the boat. I've got to make something up for the van, I reckon. But I don't think the height's, it's not high enough for him. Oh, you can't see the stuff all. Let's go find him. Where are you? What are you doing? You trying to find a ball? Look at him. Go and get it. I have no idea what he's trying to get. Look at him. What do you got? Where is it? Ah, oh, there. Is that your thing, is it? Good boy, come on. All right, let's go pack up. We ran out of battery, obviously, while I was fiberglassing. But, oh, we had some questions the other week regarding the door panels, the old original doors and stuff on the boat. It's all under this. All the original timbers, the doors, all the original stuff that I really wanted to try and keep put back in, it's all in there, stacked up off the ground and wrapped up in a tarp. So we're going to try and reuse whatever we can, really. I'd love to put those doors back in. Absolutely, that was the plan. So we should definitely see that happening. Right, so I really want to finish all this so I can finish painting, put this back in, but we got a little bit to do. Alright, so we've done a new fiberglass layer up over the top of this, and we did another back layer down, right out wide and up high, and we've also filled in there. We've done up in there, we've done a new layer on there. So we've thickened it up even more and widened it as well. So it's thicker and it's wider now. So the second layer, I wanted to just cover more surface area, get it a bit stronger. Pretty happy with that. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'm knackered. I'm going to pack up now, get on home. It's Sunday afternoon. We need to go to the pub, beach house, down to the beach house. They've got a few live music going, beers are cold, the beach is nice. All right.